Hi guys, let's go over the pronunciation of cut and cat. So for the first one, the mouth is just slightly open and it's a short, quick sound. Cut. Cut. And you can see the position of my mouth, okay? It's very relaxed. Barely open. Versus cat. The mouth smiles and the mouth is open a little more. Cat. Cat. Okay? So I'm going to show you the U and the A sound back to back. First the U, then the A. U, A. So you can see the position of my mouth and tongue. The tongue goes up just a little bit more with the A sound. Okay? Cut. Cut. Cat. Cat. So again, let's just do U and A. Alright, so let's go ahead and take turns now. I'm going to do one word and then you repeat after me. Cut. 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 Now with the A. Cat. 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 Okay, let's do both of the words together, taking turns. Cut, cat. Cut, cat. Cut, cat. Cut, cat. How'd you guys do? Let me know if you want more videos like this. I'll see you in the next lesson.